All right, you guys, today we are teaching you a shoulder sit cartwheel. Now this is a really cool partner trick, and I feel like partner tricks can really enhance your choreography. So let's give this one a try. So Miley's gonna go ahead and sit on the floor. Carter's going to pull her up. Now it's really important that Carter uses his left arm and creates that shelf with his right arm. So let's go ahead and up. Good. From here, good. From the shoulder sit, we're going to have Miley wrap her arms down. Carter is going to hold her waist and she's going to cartwheel out. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Good. And we're pulling up, create that shelf, and cartwheel down, extend through those legs, and control the landing. Awesome. Go ahead and give that one a try, you guys.